Hello students. First of all, I would like to explain what is an even number. How can you express even number exactly? So if we ask this question in 9th grade or 8th grade, you can say starts from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, like that you can say. That's called an even number. And if we are asking you what is called an odd number, definitely you will start with 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma and so on. You can give you the odd numbers example. But here now I'm going to explain you the form of even number, not even number. The form of odd number but not odd number. Just I'm going to explain you this part. Just you can concentrate on this part. I am going to explain you the form of even number, the form of odd number. Every even number can be written as a 2n form. 2n form means a number can be expressed like this, an even number. For an example, if you take 18, so 18 can be written as 2 times 9. Therefore, 18 is an even number, but we can write down as a 2n form. 2n means n refers to a number. So every even number can be written in this way, and every odd number can be written in 2n plus 1 form. So for an example, if you take 19 here, you can write down 2 times 9 plus 1. So 2 times 9, 18, 18 plus 1, that is 19. If you observe, this is just like a Euclid's lemma. Okay, so 19 can be expressed as 2 times 9 plus 1. That means 2n plus 1 form. 19 is an odd number. Therefore, we can write down 2n plus 1 form. So, here in this way, we can write down the form of even number and the form of odd number. Now, let us see. The question is, any positive odd integer in the form of any positive odd integer. So odd integers are 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Positive odd integers 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on. So all the odd integers can be expressed in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. If you read the question properly from the PDF, you can understand. So in the three forms, it could be any one. You can write down 9 as 6 into 1 plus 3. That is called 9. So any odd integer can be expressed in this form or in this form or in this form. Any one you can express. Therefore, we have to show that according to Euclid's division, we have to show that any odd integer can be written in that form, either one of the form. Now let us see. Write down Euclid's division algorithm. A is equal to 6q plus r. Now 6q is given, 6q, 6q, 6q is given, and the remainder r is given. R always less than or equal to 6. Sorry, not equal, less than 6. Therefore, r equal to 0, that is 6. R equal to 1, that is 7. R equal to 2, for an example, if the q is 1, r equal to 2, that the answer is 8. R equal to 3, the answer is 9. R equal to 4, the answer is 10. R equal to 5, the answer is 11. R equal to 6, the answer is 2n. That's what the next multiple of the 6 will come. So I want to give you clarity for this. For an example, 6 can be written as 6 times 1 plus 0. 7 can be written as 6 times 1 plus 1. 8 can be written as 6 times 1 plus 2. 9 can be written as 6 times 1 plus 3. 10 can be written as 6 times 1 plus 4. 11 can be written as 6 times 1 plus 5. 12 can be written as 6 times 1 plus 6 times 1 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 we can write down here 6 times 2 plus 0. So the next multiple will come. Here again 0 starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 0 will start. Therefore, here I have written A 6 cube plus 0, A 6 cube plus 1, A 6 cube plus 2, A 6 cube plus 3, A 6 cube plus 4, A 6 cube plus 5. Therefore, these are all even numbers, but our question deals with the odd number. Therefore, we have after removing this, we have only 3 chances: 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 3, and 6 cube plus 5. Let us check. Now I have taken 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 1. Now A equal to 2 times 3 cube. Now I have to taken this even number, this odd number, this part, and I have to show that it is an odd number. So I have taken 6 cube plus 1. I have to prove that it is an odd number. Now 6 cube plus 1. 6 can be written as 2 of 3 cube plus 1. Now 3 cube can be written as some number. So if you observe 2n plus 1, just now I have shown you here. Which number can be written as 2n plus 1 is the form of odd number. Therefore, 6 cube plus 1 is an odd number. Now we are dealing with odd number. Now next number is 6 cube plus 3. Right, take 6 cube plus 3. Write down 2, 3 cube. 3 can be written as 2 plus 3. Now here if you observe, this is one term, this is the second term, this is third term. Among the 3, these 2 terms has 2 as common. Therefore A is equal to, take the 2 out, 3 cube plus 1 is there. The plus 1 from the third term. So from these 2 terms I have taken 2 common out. Therefore 2n plus 1 form. Again some other number, some n2 came. Therefore 2n2, that means not the 2, this is not the number, just to notify whether a possible number is there or not. 2n2 some other number plus 1. Therefore this is also can be written in the form of 2n plus 1. Therefore it is also a odd number. Same way, A is equal to 6 cube plus 5, 2, 3 cube plus 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. Now here we have 3 terms. This is a one term, this is a second term, this is a third term. Among first and second we have 2 common. Therefore I took 2 common. 2 of something plus 1. 2 of something plus 1 is an odd number. Therefore we can state that any odd integer can be written in the form of 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. So that's all. Just you practice this question. If you practice, twice or thrice, then you can get. If you have any question, you can ask me, then I will give you little clarity about that. Thank you.